People would say, okay, Dave, well, what's the right mindset? Well, the right mindset is, first of all, you have to have a belief in your ability to be successful, right? And I'm not talking about having doubts sometimes. We all have doubts. All the time we have doubts, but it's what you do in those moments of doubt that makes the difference. So this is foundational. If you don't believe you're going to succeed, you're not going to succeed because it's going to force you to take actions that are going to cause you to fail. You have to be willing, the willingness to challenge your beliefs, to take some of these old beliefs that we hold so dear and say, maybe that's not right. Maybe it's not serving me well right now. The ability to take personal responsibility for your situation in life. And this is a tough one. It's saying, things aren't good right now, but it's my fault. I'm going to fix this, right? Instead of pointing fingers around everywhere else. And to view today's challenges, and I know that there's a lot of them, ladies and gentlemen, I get that. But if you continually seek the opportunities contained within, like Napoleon Hill said in Think and Grow Rich, great book. He said, in every adversity contains the seed of an equal or greater benefit. And I believe that so much right now. You got to view today's challenges as opportunities. Ladies and gentlemen, attitude is everything. It doesn't matter the cards you're dealt, it matters how you play those cards.